morning student. Today we will start our next chapter and the chapter name is Introduction to HTML5. Okay, and in this chapter we will just read about some basic function of HTML. Okay, so take out page number 63. Okay, introduction. Here you can see that the introduction is given here. You know, internet is a very vast network of computer. The information you look upon the internet is received from server, and a server is a computer on the internet that receives request and send the information back in our computer in the form of website. Okay, in this line it says that internet is very vast. Okay, ये बहुत बड़ा नेटवर्क होता है एंड ये नेटवर्क जो हम लोगों को मिलता है वो कैसे मिलता है, सर्वर से हम लोगों का नेटवर्क को रिसीव किया जाता है. ओके, इट विल रिसीव द नेटवर्क फ्रॉम सर्वर एंड अ सर्वर इज अ कंप्यूटर. सर्वर क्या है? एक कंप्यूटर है ऑन द इंटरनेट. किसमें? इंटरनेट में. दैट रिसीव्स आवर रिक्वेस्ट एंड द सर्वर विल रिक्वेस्ट आवर रिक्वेस्ट एंड देन सेंड द इंफॉर्मेशन बैक टू द कंप्यूटर फ्रॉम using the website, with the help of website. Okay, a website is a collection of web pages that are written in HTML language. Okay, a website is a collection of web pages. There are too many pages available. Okay, and it will use HTML language, that means hypertext markup language. Okay, and the most common websites are Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Google, etc. Okay, and now what is HTML language? HTML means, the full form of HTML is given here, hypertext markup language. Okay, hypertext markup language. It was developed by Tim Berners-Lee at Sand, Switzerland, at the Europe, okay, laboratory for particle physics. Okay, it is using the particle physics. It is the most widely used language to write web pages. HTML is using for write the web page. Okay, and it is not a programming language. We cannot say that, we can't even say that HTML is a programming language, because it is a markup language. Okay, this will create our document or our data web page. Okay, so here it is written that it is not a programming language but rather a markup language. It is only a markup language. Okay, now the HTML document may be viewed by different web browser of very different abilities. Okay, we can view this document with the helping of these browsers. Here you can see that the picture of some browsers are given here. Okay, and it means HTML instructions divide the text of a document into blocks called elements. Okay, it will divide the instructions of the text and it into blocks. ओके, ये ब्लॉक्स में, छोटे छोटे ब्लॉक्स में टेक्स्ट को क्या कर देता है? डिवाइड कर देता है, जिसको क्या बोलते हैं? एलिमेंट. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड एलिमेंट. इट इज वेरी सिंपल लैंग्वेज एंड नॉट केस सेंसिटिव. ओके, HTML लैंग्वेज इज वेरी simple language and not sensitive case. To start HTML, two main tools are required. Okay, for starting the HTML we must require two tools, and the name is an HTML editor or a web browser. Okay, and a web browser. First is an HTML editor and the second is a web browser. Okay, HTML allows us to create the HTML document. There are two types of HTML editors, WYSIWYG, which means what you see is what you get. आप क्या देखते हो और आपको क्या मिलता है. ओके, दिस इज द meaning of that. You are working on a page and your result will displayed on another page. Okay, जैसे आप काम करते हो किसी एक पेज पे, लेकिन आपका रिजल्ट जो दिखता है वो अनदर पेज पे दिखता है. ओके, सो and simple text editor, it will also edit our text. In WYSIWYG editor, a web page can be created quickly without knowing the HTML tag because it provides graphical interface, whereas in text editor knowledge of HTML tag are required. अगर हम लोग कोई वेब ब्राउजर से किसी डॉक्यूमेंट्स को क्या करते हैं, क्रिएट करते हैं, उसको डेकोरेट करते हैं, तो उसमें हम लोगों को किसी टैग की जानकारी नहीं होती है, टैग का जरूरत नहीं होता है. बट व्हेन वी यूजिंग अ ग्राफिकल इंटरफेरेंस वे ऑफ HTML वी मस्ट रिक्वायर सम टैग. ओके, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट फ्रंट पेज एंड एडोब ड्रीमवीवर आर टू मोस्ट पॉपुलर ऑफ WYSIWYG HTML editors. And generally in your system Notepad is available, and this will also use for creating a HTML document. Okay, and Wattpad is also help us. Are the example of simple text editor. You usually write the HTML code in Notepad and save it with the extension .html extension. Just like that, you are creating a file and save that. RAM, after your name you have to put some extension, and the name of this extension is full stop HTML, and then you can click the enter key and your document will be saved. Okay, so on next day I will do the practical of this class, and you will betterly understand the topic what I say. Okay student.